So the Jersey Biodiversity Centre is the biological record centre for Jersey, and most of our data is made up from volunteer biological recorders. So they go out, they collect records, what they see, they let us know, feedback, and that all goes into the database.
It started sort of 30 years ago. I attended a marine biology section meeting and didn't think I had anything to offer, and the chairman of they said, oh no, you're the eyes and ears when you're out there. I got an underwater camera and it's just sort of snowballed, and some of my photographs have got published in books, which is great news basically, and I get free books. We're blessed that we've got so many interesting species that some have not been properly recorded before, so it's a rewarding thing as well. It's good to monitor the ecosystem and to see if there's any changes, sea temperatures rising, the whole area is changing, and it changes on seasons. I would love to see people engage with iNaturalist, and it's so simple now. If you've got a phone, you just go and photograph it. It helps because once the species verified, it goes through to the Jersey Biodiversity Centre. It's helping everybody to get a better understanding of the area and, you know, eventually help protect it, we hope.
I've always loved looking at plants and finding out about them. It's a bit like a treasure hunt, going out looking for things, and you just never know what interesting plant you might find. I really enjoy the scientific aspect of identifying plants and naming them, and I think it's really, really important once we've found out about plants and their names and where they live and their habitat that we record this. If we know what they are, we have a far better chance of protecting them, looking after them, and JBC is the usual place we record them in. Has all that data of where our special plants are. There were many botanists 100 years ago who used to go around finding things and never telling anybody. Consequently, we lost some unusual plants. I think it's far more important that if we find plants is to record them on our phones. We are so lucky. So we have quite a few rare plants such as the Jersey buttercup, the Jersey forget-me-not, the Jersey pink, the Jersey fern. We only have one endemic plant to Jersey. However, unfortunately, we can't find this plant anymore. So we've lost our only endemic plant, unless somebody still finds it. There's always an opportunity to find new things in Jersey. So we have fortnightly walks, and we also have weekly walks on a Thursday. And you simply email botany at the Société Jersiaise. We'd be delighted to welcome anybody to our group.
Well, when I was very young, I grew up in the UK, there were a set of cards that were issued was British butterflies. So I was keen to get out there and see what was around. I enjoy doing it. There's butterflies around like the small white and the large white, the red admiral, you name it, you can record it. It's important because there's several subjects where there's not much recorded, therefore adding to that record will help an understanding at a scientific level about what's going on. Things are changing all the time, and probably even faster now with global warming, and it's seeing what effect that has on the numbers of butterflies. The Jersey Biodiversity Centre is a great source to make those reports, and their staff in Jersey that will be able to guide you if you need that guidance.
I like to trap moths, so I call myself a mother. I had a friend who'd done some mothing, so with his help I was able to sort of start and get an understanding of what I was looking at.
I'm a general wildlife enthusiast. I do love doing the moths. Moths are really beautiful, and there are so many different types of moths. Yeah. How many of them
There's
in the British Isles?
2,500. And every year we find new moths that are new to us.
With climate change, we are seeing brand new species for Jersey. My feeling is, like a lot, it's really important for young people to engage with our wildlife. You can be sitting at your garden table of an evening with the lights on, and you'll get a handful of moths, and why not be inquisitive and see what they are?
Take a photo, use an app to identify it, and then just record it.
And do it as a family thing. Just do it as, well, we'll learn this together. And if there's an insect you don't recognise, put on the insects for the Channel Islands Facebook page and someone will help you. You might find it fun. Because we did.
We did.
So citizen science is the act of people going out and collecting those records for us. So you don't need to be a scientist or someone with a huge background in biology to know or find out what things are and let us know what you see. So all the apps, you take a photo, they maybe have some form of image recognition software. If you're in the field, it will track your location if you've allowed your phone to do that. And as soon as you hit submit and fill out any of the other fields, that will flow through into the database. So all of these apps are different ways that you can submit your records. iNaturalist, it has photo recognition, there's a bit more of a community on there. iRecord, there's a little bit more kind of advanced, but you shouldn't shy away from using it even if you're new to biological recording. People can follow us and see the work that we're doing. Search Jersey Biodiversity and we should come up. On YouTube, we've got all our videos, and then also on our social media platforms, we've got more regular updates as well.